Hi, I'm Manuel Gutierrez, Product Manager at Heidelberg. Today I'm talking to you from our Heidelberg Demonstration Center in Atlanta. As many of you know, Heidelberg makes a wide range of premium consumables for your press. Today we wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about Heidelberg press room washes. Heidelberg press room washes are sold in about 75 countries around the world and counting. The Heidelberg prices, they have amazing new technologies. They are actually designed for some food applications. They provide excellent cleaning power and cutting strength for UV, and they can be customized for low energy and LED applications. Many of them, when you use them in combination with our water fix or our premium wash-up cloth, they provide excellent performance and value for your press, whether it's a Heidelberg or a competitor press. What we wanted to do today was do a brief demonstration to show you how Heidelberg washes compared to other products on the market. So let's go over and have a look.
The purpose of this test is to compare the insolvency power of several press washes and hopefully to demonstrate the superior cutting power of the Saphira press wash. So here we're going to use an equal amount of conventional offset ink, in this case processed cyan, and we're going to apply it evenly to the test sticks. Then the sticks, then we're going to immerse them on the respective cleaning solvent for about 4 minutes or so. During this part of the test, there will be no stirring of the solvent. It's just going to stay static. Here, after 1 minute, you can see that the Saphira wash immediately began to dissolve the ink, and then you notice that only gravity is moving it to the bottom of the cup. On the other competitive products, there is not much activity yet. So you can see that the Saphira is the one on the left of the screen. Here, after about 2 minutes, you can see that the Saphira wash is continuing to break down that ink into very small particles. On the competition side, you can see that the wash is getting behind the ink and pushing it away from the stick into these small chunks. So most of the press washes in the market contain maybe 90 to 95% similar ingredients. Thus the extra 5 to 10% of the ingredients is what contains the anti-corrosive, the surfactants, and the extra technology that gives the Saphira washes its extra cutting power. After about 3 minutes, you can see that the Saphira washes continues to dissolve the ink. The other products, there's still the chunks are not dissolving, they're just falling down to the bottom of the cup. If this were a press with a brush blanket cleaning system, all those chunks of ink will clog the brush, and then eventually you need to clean it with more frequency, whereas with the Saphira wash, the ink gets dissolved and then it keeps the brush system clean, and then you have a lot less maintenance. After about 4.5 minutes, we'll remove the sticks with the ink from each of the cups with the solvent. Okay, so we're removing the third one and the final one. The next step is going to be to insert small magnets on each of the cups, and we'll use the magnetic stirrer to stir the solvent. And the purpose of the stirring is to see or to demonstrate the level of dispersion from the ink. Basically, is to see if the solvent is dissolving the ink. If you look on the left of the screen, the Saphira wash has a very, very small particles. It looks a very smooth liquid, whereas on the other products, you can see the bigger chunks of ink. So here they are all still spinning, so you can see that even after about nearly a minute, they're still not completely dissolved on some of the solvents in the test. Finally, on minute 6, we'll remove the sticks, and then we could do a quick comparison of how well the solvent clean each of the samples. So here's the Saphira sample. Now we can see the other 3 samples. So here you go, very little ink was removed from these other samples. So this will give you an idea that the technology on the Saphira wash provides increased cutting power, and you can actually remove the ink without touching. When you put that in combination with the washout cloth and the water fix products, then the combination of these 3 products will give you maximum cleaning performance for your blankets and rollers. We can conclude from our demonstration that the Saphira wash shows faster action and stronger cleaning power, and then this assures better cleaning results. In most cases, they can result in about 10 to 20% reduced consumption of the solvent. The innovative instant dispersion technology from the Saphira wash prevents the ink from clogging up the ductile blade, and then also in the waste collection trays of the brush cleaning devices. This requires less maintenance. For best results, we recommend that you use your Saphira washes in combinations with the water fix and other Saphira consumables.